Come take a look at the certified pre-owned 2010 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 42,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 20 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 26 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 2.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed manual transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, auxiliary audio input, climate control, driver airbag and side curtain airbags. Call 888-658-4271 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.